Do you think too much about your past mistakes? Do you feel afraid when you think about your future? In today's story, we will go to a small village long ago in the past. A young boy will learn how to calm his noisy mind. And you can practice slow, clear English at the same time. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived a boy named Rin. Rin was 18 years old. He lived with his parents in a small wooden house. Every morning, Rin woke up before sunrise. He helped his father in the fields. He carried water from the well. He fed the chickens and the cows. From the outside, Rin's life looked simple and peaceful. The village was surrounded by green fields and soft hills. Birds sang in the trees. The river made a gentle sound as it moved over the stones. But inside Rin's mind, there was no peace. His thoughts were always running. He often remembered old mistakes. He felt guilty for things he said in anger. He worried about storms and bad harvests. He was afraid that his parents would not have enough food next year. At night, he could not sleep well. He turned from side to side on his thin bed. His body was tired, but his mind did not stop. He thought, "What if the rain does not come? What if I fail my family? Why am I so weak?" Sometimes Rin walked alone near the fields. He watched the sky change color in the evening, but he did not enjoy the beauty. His eyes looked at the sky, but his mind was far away. In the village, people often talked about a wise old healer. He lived near the edge of the forest in a small house. People went to him when their body hurt. People also went to him when their heart felt heavy. One evening, after a long day in the fields, Rin felt very tired and sad. He sat by the river and put his head in his hands. He whispered, "My mind is my enemy. I just want it to be quiet." He remembered the stories about the healer. Slowly, he stood up and began to walk towards the forest. The sun was going down. The sky was orange and pink. After some time, he saw a tiny house made of dark wood. Smoke came from a small chimney. An old man with white hair was sitting outside on a low stool. His eyes were half closed and his face was calm, like still water. Rin walked closer and bowed. "Grandfather," he said softly, "my heart feels heavy. My mind is full of worries. I cannot rest. Please help me." The old healer looked at Rin kindly. He did not speak for a moment. He just watched the boy's sad eyes and tired face. Then he said, "Come with me, child. I will give you a task." Before we continue the story, let's look at some useful phrases from Rin's feelings and thoughts. These phrases will help you understand the story more deeply and talk about your own emotions in English. My heart feels heavy. You feel very sad or worried. My mind is full of worries. You are thinking about many problems all the time. To carry a burden, to carry something heavy, or to feel a heavy problem in your life. To stay with this moment. To keep your attention on what is happening right now. To lose yourself in thought. To think so much that you forget the world around you. To walk carefully, step by step. To move slowly and watch every step you take. You will hear these phrases in the story. Try to notice them when they appear. Now you know these phrases. As we go back to the story, try to listen for them and feel them in Rin's life. Imagine you are walking beside him in the village. Let's see what task the healer gives to Rin, and how this strange task will change his heart. The healer stood up slowly and went inside his small house. Rin waited outside. He could hear the sound of clay bowls touching each other. After a short time, the healer came back. In his hands, he held a small clay bowl. He filled the bowl with clear oil right up to the very edge. Then he lit a tiny flame on the surface of the oil. The light was soft and warm. The old man carefully placed the bowl into Rin's hands. "Listen," he said gently. "Walk around the whole village and then return to me. Do not let the flame die. Do not spill even one drop of oil." Rin looked at the bowl in surprise. The oil was so close to the top that one wrong move would make it spill. He wanted to ask, "How will this help my mind?" But he trusted the healer, so he only nodded. He held the bowl with both hands, very slowly lifted his feet, and began to walk. The ground near the forest was uneven. There were stones, roots, and small holes in the path. Rin walked carefully, step by step. His eyes stayed on the tiny flame. He could hear birds, but he did not look at them. He entered the village road. Children were playing and shouting. Dogs were barking. Women were laughing as they washed clothes in the river. Men were talking loudly about the next planting. But Rin did not pay attention to them. He did not think about yesterday. He did not think about tomorrow. He thought only about the bowl, the oil, and the small, soft flame. He moved like this all the way around the village. His hands felt tired, but his mind was strangely quiet. There was no space for extra thoughts. There was only this step, and then the next step. This breath, and then the next breath. After some time, he returned to the healer's house. The sun was lower in the sky. The air was cool. "Grandfather," Rin said, "I did as you asked. The flame is still alive. I did not spill the oil." The healer smiled. "Good," he said. "Now tell me, child. Did you see the children playing by the river? Did you watch the clouds moving in the sky? Did you worry about the next harvest?" Rin thought for a moment. Then he shook his head. "No," he said. "I did not see the children. I did not watch the clouds. I did not worry about the harvest. I only watched the flame. I only watched my steps." The old healer nodded slowly. "This is the lesson," he said. "When your mind stays with one thing in this moment, there is no room for fear of the future. There is no room for pain from the past. Your thoughts become quiet. Your heart becomes light. Peace is not far away, Rin. It is not hiding in another place or another day. It is already inside you. It appears when you stay with this moment, just like you stayed with the flame." Rin looked down at the tiny fire. His hands were still, and his breathing was slow. He felt something new inside his chest. It was small, like the flame in the bowl, but it was warm. He bowed deeply. "Grandfather," he said, "I understand a little now. When I walked with the bowl, my mind did not attack me. I was not lost in thought. I was just here. If I want peace, I must practice staying with the present moment." The healer smiled kindly. "Exactly," he said. "Stay with the soil when you work in the field. Stay with the water when you carry it from the well. Stay with your breath when you lie in bed at night. Come back to now, again and again. That is how your heart will rest." The sun went down behind the hills. The first stars appeared in the darkening sky. Rin started his walk back home. The village, the fields, and his family's problems were all the same. But Rin was not the same boy. His steps were softer. His face was calmer. He now carried a new understanding inside him. Peace comes when he gently brings his mind back to this moment. Rin learns that peace is already inside him when he lives in now. If your mind also feels noisy like Rin's mind and this story touched your heart, please give it a like. Write a comment about one small thing you will focus on today: your breath, your tea, the sky. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more slow, simple English stories that bring calm to your mind and warm light to your life.